Hello and welcome to one more tutorial for Parent Portal. As you can know, on the Parent Portal we can find a lot of information regarding our students, from the timetable to the news, what is happening in school, or any kind of information, or to making a seat booking for the next academic year, or bus reservation, and so on. But what if you have, for example, regarding the school, some complaint, or if you have some comment, or if you want to, for example, say that something is wrong, that something is happening. So how to inform the school? You can use on the Parent Portal one page here, and it's called feedback. So to use the feedback, you just need to, when you log in with your username and password, on the first page that is open, this one, home page, just scroll down to the bottom. On the bottom you will see here links, and here is the feedback. So just click on this feedback, it will open new window for you, and here it will be written form, so you can put your feedback. As I said, it can be positive or negative, or you can, for example, to ask about something, or to correct, for example, your contact information, or you need to access to something or ask. It doesn't matter what is it in the question, you can always send through this form. So first what you need to do is to type your email, your name, full name, and then the message. It doesn't matter what kind of message you want to write. As I said, is it positive or negative? You can. After you're finished with your typing, everything what is filled up, all these three forms, 3 rows, and you're done with your message, only what you need to do is send feedback. If you don't want, if you just want to start all over again, just click reload. So if you want to send feedback, just click send, and you will get this feedback sent. Your feedback has been submitted. Thank you. Now you can just click here to return to Home Portal homepage, or to continue with the browsing on the top. In any case, when your feedback is submitted, we will sure make it that feedback, every single feedback is answered and any kind of information is provided. Thank you for watching.